What up, guys? BigBoxBreaksDecor.com. Break number 205 is filled. So everybody bought a spot on this site, not on eBay, is going to be eligible for a free spot in my Splendor giveaway. And everyone's going to be eligible for a free spot in my next break. So 3 times on the teams. And 3. Okay. Coyotes on the bottom. And the Jackets on top. Quick little recap there. Okay. And now people on the break. 2 and 3. Copy, paste, and like all my breaks, I do put this in the description below. And that's not a gap, guys. That's just an extra long thing here. So we got Icy with the Jackets. Senators was Dion. Tampa is Ing. Vegas is Ing. Avalanche is Sammy. Wild is Sammy. Rangers is Sammy. Canucks is Felka. Islanders is Icy. Sharks is Icy. Sabres is McCammon. Flames is Sammy. Dion is the Capitals and the Hawks. Kings is Icy. Flyers is Sammy. Ducks and Devils, Dion. Nashville is Paul. Wings is Ing. Leafs is Peter. Jets is Dion. Steve, you got the Hurricanes. Dion, you got the Bruins. Sandra, you got the Oilers. Stars go to Steve. Stavaport. Blues is Sandra. Penguins is Felka. Canadians is Dion. Panthers is Icy. And Phoenix is Felka. So those are the teams. And off to the spot to bust the box. Okay, let's get going. We hit something big again. Okay. Empty. Got one. For the Capitals, Alex Ovechkin, Net Magnet, rookie for the Ducks, base, rainbow for the Rangers, Jelly, and rookie for the Red Wings. Base, retro, Hellebuck for the Jets, Columbus, nothing. And for the Canadians, Kokotanemi, rookie. Base, retro, Will Butcher, Devils, Bobby Orr base. The Canadians, Jeller Blue out of 149. Montreal, rookie for the Ducks, base. Oh, there we go. Thomas Haika, autograph rookie for the Vegas Golden Knights. Nice. Rookie for the Bruins. Base. So there's our auto. Retro for the Avalanche. Ratton. Rookie for the Flames. And base. Base, Taylor Hall base, Malkin by the Pixels, and Jolson for the Canadians rookie. Base, that looks like a rainbow. Stammer, Lightning, and Ryan Donato for the Bruins. Hurricanes, Michael Furlan retro, and base. I'll go to the base again at the end. Retro, Austin Matthews, and LaJoy, Ottawa. Rookie Rainbow, LA, Pedersen, and base. Green here. Koivu, no. Rasmussen green. Regular retro. Greens are out of 10. Wow. Boom. For the Wings. Howden for the Rangers, and Dermott for the Leafs. Base, Marchand base, net magnet for the Bruins, Pasternak, and base. Base, red for the Ducks out of $1.99. Rookie and base. 4 packs left. Base. Devils, Nico Hischier, retro, and a Carter Hart, regular rookie for the Flyers. Base, Carlson Rainbow for the Sharks, and base. 2 packs left. In action, Bobby Orr for the Bruins. Rookie. And the last pack. O'Reilly, Sagan regular, Martin, Gabrick, no, for Senators by the Pixels, and a regular Pedersen rookie. Okay, so we'll head back to the spot to do the random for the free spot in my next break. Quick recap, all our rookies. Our retros, rainbows, our inserts, and our number cards. So, nice box again. So now, time for the random for the free spot in my next break, which is going to be ice. 3 more times. 2, and person on top is Dion. So thanks a lot, guys. Check out my site. Where is it here? BigBoxBreaks.ecr.com. Put a link in the description below. And thanks a lot, guys. I'll get these cards out ASAP.